guys, just want to say thank you for tuning in to my channel. We're gonna go ahead and see if the Mavic Pro 2 or the Mavic Zoom can track me. Be awesome if you did. Oh man, I got the Mavic. Woo! That's close. Oh! See that, guys? See if the active track works. And go from here.
Anyway guys, I just did a firmware update for my iOS device and now you guys can see it actually works. So you guys can exactly see what I'm talking about. But anything else, hopefully you're gonna have more updates in the future to make it more better. So we're gonna go and see how the 2.0 works.
Whoa, it's catching up. Whoa, oh, woo. Oh, not enough wind now. Oh crap. Woo. Let me pass these big waves. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. All right. See what I'm talking about? Not good. That's dangerous. It did track me for a little bit. Oh man. So I gotta run up here. Oh man. Close the wave. Yeah. Woo! It's dangerous. See that, guys? One wave can put that drone down the ground. We'll see. Whew. The weather's weird. But it did track me. Wow. Again, I'm gonna do one more time. So I gotta go back. And then I'm gonna wow. Wow. Whew. Okay. Hey, it did track me though. This is a good thing. Whew.